AWS has lot of services when it comes to storing the data because there are lots of types of data out there and lots of workloads and use cases. So at times it becomes really confusing as which AWS service to use for which workload or which use case when it comes to storing the data. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of when to use DynamoDB, DocumentDB, or Keyspaces. So first, let's understand which one is ideal for which workload. DynamoDB is probably the most famous, popular, and useful service out there. Or rather, instead of saying useful, I would say more generic or general purpose usage I have seen. Now, DynamoDB is more suited for the applications or workload that demand high scalability, low latency access, and automatic scaling. It is mainly usable for use cases where data is being streamed from the gaming or mobile apps and even real-time analytics or IoT. It basically offers a NoSQL flexible free-flowing schema with automatic partitioning, global replication, and global acceleration, and a lot of other good features. It is, of course, fully managed by AWS, so you don't have to manage any infrastructure. Then we have Keyspaces. Keyspaces is fully managed Apache Cassandra compatible database service, and it provides horizontal scalability, fault tolerance, and then the ability to handle massive workloads. It is mainly geared toward ideal for applications requiring high availability, again, large scale data handling, and multi region support. So I would say that if you have a time series data and IoT applications for which you already are using Cassandra on the on premises, then if you're moving to AWS, then I think DocumentDB or sorry, Keyspaces makes sense. Then we have DocumentDB. DocumentDB is directly compatible with MongoDB. So if you are using MongoDB on the on premises, then use DocumentDB. Now, if you still are unsure which one to use, and your workload requires high scalability, reliability, low latency, real time, and free flowing schema, then definitely go with DynamoDB with your eyes closed. Also, make sure that you understand the data model of your application, and especially with perspective of DynamoDB, that you should be using the key value store. But if you're using document based data, then go with DocumentDB, of course. And if you have very wide columns, then go with the key space because Cassandra really shines there. So I hope that this was useful. If you have any insight into this topic, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.